This is video 2 of my pulse motor, and I've actually got it up and running now so you could see it running. And it's running on 10 volts, 10.1 volts, and it's drawing about 13 to 14 milliamps. Now if you look at my previous video, you'll see that just this trigger and this circuit down here draws 18.7 milliamps just to run the trigger circuit. You could see the LED pulsing as it detects the metal pieces on the wheel. Now for the technically curious, this is the waveform on the oscilloscope for what it looks like. I'll leave that there for a minute. And then back over here, this is what it's drawing. About 14, it varies, but max about 14 milliamps going through the circuit. So basically, if you subtract what the circuit itself consumes, then it appears like it generates a little more power than it uses. And what I'm thinking about doing is taking this out and maybe getting a reed switch and trigger it with magnets to eliminate the circuit, just to see what it'll do, to see if it maybe get it down so it only draws a milliamp or something, or just to see what happens. But I thought that was interesting, that what we talked about in the first video, adding a second magnet, a second South Pole magnet over here right after the North Pole magnet, seems to turn it into a generator and feed power back into the system. Well, that's it for now. I just thought it was interesting, so I'm going to post it.